Hello, people of the internet! Welcome to my current workspace. I'm actually a pastry chef, for those of you who don't know, but due to a few circumstances in my life, I had to change careers just for a little while. So I ended up here at a TV station, which is actually really fun. Since I'm not able to have my own bake shop at the moment, I really enjoy just baking anything. So my friend asked me to make a few macarons for her son because it was his birthday and he needed something to bring to school. I had to make about 60 macarons. They needed 30 vanilla and 30 chocolate.
To make you see it. Want you to be with me endlessly, but forever till we part ways. Hope it's not too soon. How I see it now, just wanna make a temporary truce. For every move, sun passing by made me realize got nothing that I wanna lose tonight. But with you, it's always day and night. I'm just trying to make this right, yeah. Honestly, I'm wanting something
Obviously, if you do them by hand, the shapes will not always be perfect, but that's fine. What I always like to do is play macaron Tinder. I just try to match them by size. And if they don't fit, I'll just try another one until no one is left being single anymore. And then I just fill them. That's kind of it.
Feeling lonely. Something about you make me feel insecure, baby. Something about you, girl. Stay here right by my side. Feel like I am falling deeper. 여기서 alone. I feel like falling deeper, deeper. Cause I love and rewind, oh. Love and you right, baby. Love and rewind, oh. Come on and tell me now. Love and rewind, baby. Love and you right, baby. Love and rewind. Tell me what's going on now. Man, I've been switching lanes all the time on the net. AKA I'm just on the edge hanging man. 좀 당연해 너가 느꼈을 그 맘이